Don't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
A nice road to do. I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal?
I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home.
First time namin mag-fly.
Kaya nga, first time natin nasabay, no? May mag-biyahe.
Trip. Salamat sa sponsor.
Kaya maraming salamat po.
Dito kami ngayon sa Davao International Airport. Dahil delayed flight kami, ayan, may libreng pagkain ang AirAsia. Chicken Joy. Mabutit na libre ang dinner. Ha? Inanto ka na? Ayan. Oh, kasi delayed po ang aming flight. No? Ilang oras. Ayan, may pa-dinner ang Air Asia sa amin. No? McDo. Chicken Joy. Kain po tayo. God. Haggard face na. Ayan. Boarding na po kami. Baon. Breakfast. Rhea Joy ID niya po.
Tangali na tayong karting doon sa ano.
Oo. Halit na. Grabe ang delayed flight from 6 o'clock na nahulog sa 1 a.m. 1 a.m. Grabe. 6 hours delayed, no?
6 hours delayed.
Kaya natulog kami dito sa airport. Ito.
Good morning to everyone. You Captain speaking. My name is Mark Casina. With that, the flight sports officer Steve Tagisan. This is your flight to 614, your jet service.
pinuntahan yung aming favorite restaurant, Alberto's. At,
Alberto's ba to?
Oo. Na-miss ni Rex yung yung tawag ng binalot. Binalot.
Sarap kasi yung binalot dito, di ba?
So, nakarating kami ng diet is 6 o'clock ng gabi. So, bago magpahinga, mag-dinner muna kami para isahang pahinga na lang. At napaka-haggard ng aming mga face.
24 hours na biyahe.
Isang araw walang ligo.
Stranded tayo. Stranded. Ano tawag doon? Delay?
Ang flight namin, Davao to Manila, dapat 6 p.m. Kaso lang stranded hanggang 12 midnight. So nakaalis kami ng mga almost 12 na, no? So, dumating kami kami ng Maynila mga sa mga 3 o'clock. Ay hindi, mga 2:30, mga ganun, 2 o'clock, ganun. So then papunta kami ng PTEX. Ang biyahe naman papuntang Dait is 6 a.m. in the morning. So hinintay namin. So wala kaming pahinga. Grabe ang travel. To the max. Tapos hindi naman kami gutom. Salamat pala sa may AirAsia kasi may libre namang pakain kahit na stranded, no, may libreng pakain. So ngayon dito kami sa Alberto sa Pinalot Restaurant. Dito kami magdi-dinner. So bukas meet and greet sa doon kina Kuya Val. Pahinga muna kami tonight. Bukas na kami magpapakita ila Kuya Val kasi grabe kapagod. Yung katawan namin ay bugbog. Hintayin namin yung order namin.
Yan, na-miss ko talaga dito yung binalot na bangus.
Yan. Maganda kasi yung binalot na bangus kasi may bangus na, may itlog, tapos may kamatis.